Hi everyone, I want to unbox with you my giveaway win. I was so excited when I won this because when Kylie from The Wig and I presented them all, I was like, oh, that's just ideal. So if you haven't seen the Petite Wig collection, go onto The Wig and I, and she has a website as well and a physical shop. So all the information will be on her website. If you have a petite head, if you have a petite average head, if you want low density wigs, this is the one to go for. I had a hard time decide which one to go for. There are so many beautiful styles, but I decided on Sandy. So let's unbox her. First of all, how beautiful is this box? Really sturdy box. Love good packaging. So you will see it like I see it. I have not looked here into it. So, and you get, I don't know if you can see that, a guide from The Wig and I. And then here's the wig. Look how beautiful this is packaged. So I went for Style Sandy in Byron Bay Beach. Technofiber means basically it's heat friendly. Oh, so you get little goodies with it. So you get a John Renault white tooth comb. You get care and tips card with QR codes, getting wig ready, etc., etc. And oh wow, you get a gorgeous bag, which is not satin, it's like velvet. So gorgeous. Let's look at this wig. So it comes in a net. Ooh, I like this net. It's not as flimsy. And here is Sandy in Byron Bay Beach. Look at it. Well, I went for it because I wanted slide waves. I'm really into that kind of look at the moment, and because I can never achieve these kinds of waves by myself, I just went for it. So tissue paper, you have a mainly hand-tied cap with a mono top and an extended lace front, and some close wefts at the back, an extended velvet nape, velcro adjusters, and velvet ear tabs. There's no zigzag parting, so you can see how well this is done. This looks already really natural, and I can see that lighter pieces have gone here to the front. So sorry, I have to put it on. I can't wait any longer, but I'm going to shake it a little bit. Oh, this is pretty. Ooh. Just to comb it through a little bit. So this comes with a middle part, but because you have a mono top, you can change that. So I probably will change that. Oh, look how pretty. And so lightweight. Oh, it fits my 21.5-inch circumference really well, straight out of the box. However, I think, because I like to wear it a little bit looser, I just widen the adjusters a little bit. Oh, look. This is so pretty. Right, let's look at it from all sides. Look at this parting. Wow, right? And then let's look at the lace front. So the lighter pieces are here at the front. Oh, this looks really good. This looks really natural. And it's so light, so there's no permatease at all. You can tuck it both sides. This is a cutie. So tell me what you think of Sandy by Petite Wigs in the color Byron Bay Beach. Bye.